expanding a growing network of vehicle charging infrastructure across Oshawa and the Durham region. We're proud to announce the installation of 8 new charging stations in the downtown core. Stop in, charge up, and enjoy everything Downtown Oshawa has to offer.
Hi, my name is Ivano Labrachosa, and I'm the President and CEO of Oshawa Power. We're proud to announce that we have 8 locations where you can plug in your electric vehicle and get a quick charge and do whatever you need to do downtown. Our role in electric vehicle transport is to enable the future of electric mobility. One of the issues we have in Ontario and Canada is climate change. And as we look to cleaner forms of transport, electrification is the way to do it, whether it's through public transit or individual personal vehicles or other forms of e-mobility transport, whether it's scooters, e-bikes. We're here to support it. We've done some great work and we're going to continue to do great work. We have the biggest opportunity in Ontario and especially in Durham region. Durham region is one of the cleanest forms of energy delivery and energy generation that we have in the province and in fact the world. And so our biggest opportunity is the transport sector, and as brand new electric vehicles are coming and developed into the marketplace and available for our consumers, we're ready to make that transformation work for you. Here at Oshawa Power, we understand the future of transport is electric.